Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today on Thursday, March the 12th, 2020, we have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So let's get started. I see a lot of twos. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start with the two. Yes. Alright, a 2 in the last column, a 2 in that column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for a 2 is here, here or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. I see there 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be here. In this big square, oh no. I see here 2, so 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for a 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for a 2 is here, here, or there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here also a 2, so no 2 here. Only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then the following number 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for 5 is here and there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. I can now continue with the 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 must be here. Then 3, 8, 7. Yes, the 4. Let me see what I can do with the 4. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be in one of these 2 boxes. So we have a 4 in the third column, a 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first column for the number 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then let's continue with the first big square, because the other two numbers besides the 4 are the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be this one. The 4 and the 6 are left for this big square. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Yes, in this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the numbers is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. I see here 6, so no 6 in this box. One box left for the 6, should be this one. The other 4 numbers, one of the 4 numbers is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. One box left for the 9, should be this one. The other numbers are 5, 3, and 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, and 7. And I see here 5, 7. So no 5, 7 here. One digit left for the 3. Here we have a pair, 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 3 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 7, and 8. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 should be here. The 8 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the third column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for an 8 is here and there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here and there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And I see all the 8s are used. Yes. Alright, so we have here 5 and 7, 5 and 7. I can remember one digit left for this big square for the number 4. Yes. In this big square, so, yes, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. One box left for the 4 should be this one. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for 4 is here and there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for 4 is here, here, and there. But I see here 4. No 4 there. Here 4. No 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. All the 4s are used. I can see, yes. One digit left for the last column for the number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for 1 should be here and there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. One digit left for this row for the number 3. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 6. Then 2 digits left for the first row for the number 3 and 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 here, 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and 7 goes there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be here. 1 digit left for the middle column for the number 1. 2 digits left for this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 there. No 6 here. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this second column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there. But I see here a 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then yes, all the 3s are used. I can see 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in this column, the only 3 places for for a 1 is here, here, and there. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. I see here a 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 2 digits left for the last row for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. For this big square, we have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. I remember here that the 5 and the 7 for this big square. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the last 2 numbers are for this big square for the number 6 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. All right. Yes, you can make this or solve this Sudoku medium. If I can do it, you can do it also. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Solve it or make it by yourself if you download the PDF file. Subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Thank you for watching again for this episode, and I will see you tomorrow for a new edition of Sudokus. Bye bye.